Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to overlay one video on top of another using CapCut on your phone. It's super easy and perfect for reactions, intros, or creative edits. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Go ahead and select your main video. This will be the background, and add it to your timeline. Next, look at the menu below and tap on Overlay. Then tap Add Overlay and choose the second video that you want to place on top. Tap Add and it'll appear above your main clip on the timeline. Now, you can drag to reposition it anywhere on the screen. You can also pinch to resize it depending on the style you want: full screen, corner view, or split screen. If you want to blend it nicely, you can tap on options like Mask, Chroma Key, or adjust the opacity for cool effects. Once you're happy with the look, hit the Export button at the top and save your final video. And that's it! You've just learned how to overlay a video in CapCut using your phone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.